thank all of you for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, today's class is for those who want to be intelligent in English communication. If you want to be intelligent in English communication, so this class is only for you. Okay. Today I will tell you how to be intelligent in English. How to be intelligent in English. In this class, I will tell you 3 ways from which you can improve your English communication. I have written here 3 ways. 1, 2, 3. I will tell you one by one about all the methods. Look at. The more you speak, the more you learn. What is the first way? The more you speak, the more you learn. It means if you want to get fluency in English communication, or if you want to become intelligent in English, so you should remember this method. If you follow this method, so definitely you will be intelligent in English. Whenever you speak English, whenever you think to speak, just speak out. Don't think about what other people will think about you. Don't think. You should keep on speaking in English. Whether you speak right or wrong, whether you speak broken English or good English, no matter. You should follow this method, and it is scientifically proven. If you follow this method, so it is scientifically proven that the more you speak, the more you learn. Okay. Next method. Now I am telling you about the next method. Watch English subtitles videos. It means if you want to be intelligent in English communication, so you should watch English subtitles videos which are available very easily in social media like in Instagram, in YouTube. You can watch English subtitles video, because as we know, watching is learning. As we know, when we watch any movie, so we never forget the story of that movie. Similarly, if you watch English subtitles movies, okay, so I guarantee you, you will improve your English communication and you will be intelligent in English. Okay, so it was the second method. Now I will tell you about the third method. Learn new word meanings. If you want be master in English communication, so what is the third way? You should learn every day new word meanings, because word meanings play very important role in English communication. If you want to express yourself, so you should not have scarcity of word meanings. It means you should not have shortage of word meanings. The more you know, the more you can speak nicely. Okay, so these were the 3 methods which can improve your English communication, and I have observed myself, so I am repeating all these things. Look at, first of all, you should keep this method in your mind. The more you speak, the more you learn. It was the first method. Second was what? Watch English subtitles movies or videos. It will also help you to be intelligent in English. Last one is what? Vocabulary, like vocab. You should learn at least 10 word meanings every day. Okay, then you can find change in your English communication. Okay, so these were the 3 ways which I explained you, and I hope you must have understood. So that's it for today. Jai Hind.